In this video, let us see how to conserve natural resources using mathematical structures. As per Urdhva Prashasana Niyati, an ancient Indian treatise and highest form of governance administration, natural resources can be conserved based on mathematical structures. As per this, total of natural resources that can be put to use is a mathematical subset of total universe of available resources. In a geography, if a cube represents total universe of resources, then a circular cylinder touching its sides represents the total resources that can be used or exploited in this manner shown here. Such a planned use of resources is believed to bring in prosperity both to the state and the public. Good, isn't it?